episode is called Bacon with Robbie. Oh yeah! Hey folks, tech tip of the week for you new guys trying to figure out how to get a rim to fit into your rear dropouts. I learned this trick from an old guy many years ago. It's just a couple bolts and some threaded rod. So the reason I'm doing this to this bike is because I am making this into a cargo bike, an e-bike cargo bike with a cheap ass system that I got off of Amazon. Is it gonna work? I don't know, but we're gonna find out. So the reason I had to spread the dropouts a little bit more was because of these little things here with the little knobbies on them. Well, spin that around. There we go. See that little thing right there? Okay, that has to slide into the dropout itself. What it is for is so you don't spin the hub and twist your wires. So I'll bring you in here a little closer. Here I have a threaded rod with two nuts on the inside. You can put them on the outside if you want, but you won't be able to spread it. So you put them in the inside. What you want to do is you want to spread it out. What's going to happen, may not happen, but it probably will happen. Got to get that tire on there. And all of a sudden you bent this one like this, and this one is still straight. All right, so how you cold set? What you do is you put this in there, you tighten it up. So I'm just gonna go, I know I want, what is this, 140, 142? 143, 143.9, yeah, close to 143. So what you do is you put this in here, okay? And you go half turn, okay? Do a half turn on one side, do a half turn on the other side. That way you're spreading them out evenly. So remember, 2 bolts, threaded rod, 15 mil, half turn. Is that a half turn? Could be half turn. That's more than a half turn. But, so we're going to let that sit. So I'm at 140, 144. More than enough that I haven't distorted the chain stays, bent the shit out of them to make that wheel work. Stay tuned for that, everyone. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment on my channel. I really appreciate it. I want to grow. I'm not the smartest person in the world, and I don't know a lot about bikes, but I love making weird bikes. Check out my channel, the Robbie Board, not the Robbie Board Show. It's not the Robbie Board Show anymore, and it's not Backyard Bike Builds anymore. It's Low Buck Bike Build. Yeah, I like to make my bikes as cheap as possible, but low buck. Peace out, everyone. See you later. Have a good time.